In this video, we're going to learn how to solve for sides of a right triangle using Pythagorean Theorem. So Pythagorean Theorem is this formula here that says a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. A and b are these two sides of the triangle, and c is going to be the side that is opposite of this right angle. Now that symbol right there stands for right angle 90 degrees, and that c is going to be the hypotenuse, meaning the side that is opposite of it, also the longest side. So if we know that we have a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared, and we have a is 4, so that's going to give us 4 squared, plus 3 squared is equal to c squared. Solving this out, we'd have 4 times 4, which would give us 16, plus 3 times 3, which will give us 9, and that's equal to c squared. Adding those two numbers is going to give us 25 is equal to c squared. So that's c squared, but not just c by itself. So what we have to do is we have to take the square root of both sides. So the square root of 25 would give us 5. So our answer for c is equal to 5. So that side of the triangle is 5. Now looking at this problem over here on the right side, we have 3 squared plus 9 squared is equal to c squared. If we simplify this out, we're going to get 9 plus 81, and that is equal to c squared. Adding those two numbers, that's going to give us 90 is equal to c squared. So we have to take the square root of both sides, and you'll notice that 90 cannot be simplified out. If that's the case, we're just going to leave c as the square root of 90. Now you'll notice in this example right here, we do have our right angle, and opposite that is going to be 12. So our hypotenuse, or our value of c, will be 12. And it looks like in this example, we're missing b. So we know that a is 2, so we'd say 2 squared plus b squared is equal to c squared, which would be 12 squared. As long as we have one side that is missing, we can solve for any value of these angles. Again, as long as it is a right angle. So we'd have 4 plus b squared is equal to 144. We subtract 4 on both sides, so we get that b squared is equal to 140. Now we can do square root on both sides, so our answer would come out to the square root of 140. Now with this example here on the right, now this case we actually have a is the one that's missing side, and we have our two other sides. Remember that our value of c, or our hypotenuse, is going to be opposite of the right angle. So this would be c, and this would be b. So if we have those values, we're going to say a squared plus 4 squared is equal to 6 squared. So we get a squared plus 16 is equal to 36. We would subtract 16 on both sides, so we get that a squared is equal to 20. Take the square root of both sides. That would give us that a is equal to the square root of 20.